Happy New Year, everybody. And today we're going to talk about being careful in this new year that we're in, where you're putting your energy. You want to be mindful of where your energy is going. Is it going towards helping yourself reach your goals? Helping yourself attract what you really want this year? Do you want more money, success, helping more people, to get in alignment with what you want, like a new house? That's one of mine that I'm working on. I am attracting a new house to be able to move to where I really want to be, is back in the country. And that's one of mine I'm working on. You may have something else. You may want a car. You may want a college fund for your children. Another one big on me is an inheritance for my children, working on it. Let's make 2019 our year. Stand on the principles of God, which is give and it shall be given to us. Shake down, press together, and running over. Now, those that know me know I am a Christian, and I stand on that. The law of attraction is all throughout the Bible. If you look, you can find it. You have to ask and believe that you receive it, and it shall be yours. Any rate, on the law of attraction, make sure that you're writing your affirmations and just get them embedded in you, because you'll go around the day and say, I am prosperous, I am wealthy, I am rich. You already need to be feeling the feeling of what you have. When you're in your car, pretend it's the car that you really want. When you're in your house right now, just pretend you're in a hotel room for a short period of time, because you know that you are moving soon. You are moving to your new house. This is a brand new year. This is awesome. We have new energies. We have solar eclipses to go through. We have so much what I'd call magic going on, blessings going on, everything. We have an opportunity given by the universe to make this a life of our dreams. Excuse me. So let's kick it, people. Let's do it. Let's do what we need to do to make this an amazing year. Excuse me again. We can do this, and you have to believe it, feel it, trust the process. Everyone is different. We have to get rid of the limiting beliefs. If you need help, I have my free versions of Subliminals, and I will link it in this video. Put them on a loop on low in the background of whatever you're doing, cleaning the house or whatever. They help change your mindset. We have like 65,000 thoughts a day, and most of them are subliminal. From way back when we were children, we've been programmed in a certain way. We have to reprogram our subconsciouses. So, with that being said, I do have a free version, and anybody that needs specific help on an area or so, I do have those, and I can make one specific for your needs. But in the meantime, start where you can. The ones I'm linking to are free for you to use, and just start somewhere. Make 2019 the greatest year you'll ever have. God bless you all. You are deeply loved. I am grateful for each and every one of you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.